What's up, y'all? It's your girl Breezy Acrylics, and I'm back with another video. Whether you are new or returning, thank you so much for doing so. You are greatly appreciated. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm showing you guys how to shape, and the shape on the agenda is stiletto. Let's get right into it. Let me show you guys exactly what you need. A hand file, this is 80/80 grit, and some scissors. As you can see, I do have the tips already applied to my practice hand. If you're one of the ones that are struggling with applying the nail tips to the practice hand and you would like a dedicated video for that, please let me know in the comments and I will be more than happy to make a video on that. I don't have them all the way shaped just because I want to wait for you guys to do that. When you are selecting nail tips, make sure they are fitting sidewall to sidewall. For the practice hand, I did go ahead and do them a little bit bigger. Another tip, before you even start filing, please be sure to season your files. Any file can absolutely cut you or your client. Take your nail file, make sure that file is straight right up against that nail. I'm just gonna shape it. And you make sure you're keeping that file moving. Again, it is straight. Now that we have the sidewalls pretty much aligned with the natural nail, we're gonna start cutting these tips to form the stiletto shape. So this is where the scissors come in hand. Now, you can buy pre-shaped tips. That is all up to you, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do. The first step is to determine which length is good for you or your client. Take your scissors and you're going to aim them to the left first. Go to the right side. The piece that you cut off should be a triangle. Same thing, go for the rest of the nails. Alright, now that we have all of them kind of cut into this weird looking shape that is going to be transferred into a beautiful stiletto, let's take one at a time. And like I said before, we're going to go side to side, making sure that file is straight. And we're just going to file, keeping it straight, keeping that file moving. And as you can see, it's slowly starting to turn into stiletto. When you are going back and forth, keep in mind of this area here and this area down here. You want to make sure it's all leveled, and that's why it's a good idea when you are filing to keep that file straight. There's no gap, and you're using your thumb to press right up against that file. And you can straighten that point and those two areas at the same time. All right, and there you have it. All of our nails are perfect stiletto. That is how you do it. That concludes this video. Really hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss any time that I post. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.